Good morning, Western Avenue Tech Magnet students. This is Mr. H coming at you with another book from the Fly Guy series, and this one's titled Fly Guy and the Frankenfly. Hopefully, you all enjoyed Fly Guy versus the Fly Swatter. This is going to be another fun one. Again, the author of this book is Ted Arnold. So sit back, relax, and enjoy Fly Guy and the Frankenfly. Again, I'll try to leave the pages on the screen so you can read it on your own if you decide to. If you want to just mute me, that's totally fine. Again, if not, just relax, enjoy the story, and read along. All right, Fly Guy and the Frankenfly. A boy had a pet fly. He named him Fly Guy. And Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz! Chapter 1. It was a dark and stormy night. Buzz and Fly Guy were playing. Buzz made puzzles for both of them. Buzz made costumes for both of them. Buzz made a drawing for both of them. Fly Guy is my best friend. Finally, Buzz said, "It's time for bed, Fly Guy." Fly Guy said, "Busy." As Buzz fell asleep, he wondered, what is Fly Guy making? Shh, I heard you talking back there. Again, pay attention, read along. All right, here we go. Chapter 2. Late that night, a strange light woke up Buzz. Fly Guy was making something in his laboratory. He was making a monster. Fly Guy turned on the power. The monster sat up. Buzz cried, "It's Frankenfly!" Oh, Mr. H is getting scared. Hopefully everything's gonna be okay. Oh no. Alright, let's keep going. Frankenfly heard Buzz. He stood up. He walked to the bed. Oh no. Frankenfly picked up Buzz. Fly Guy yelled, "Buzz!" Fly Guy, shut off the power. Frankenfly dropped Buzz and fell onto the bed. Crash! Chapter 3. Buzz fell out of bed and woke up. It was morning. Oh man, I can't imagine how many times this has happened to Mr. H. Alright. Wow! Said Buzz. That was a bad dream. Fly Guy was not in his bed. He was asleep on the desk. Fly Guy, said Buzz. Did you make something last night? Fly Guy said, Buzz. You made me? Asked Buzz. Yes, said Fly Guy. He pointed to a piece of paper. It's me, said Buzz. It's a painting of you and me, said Buzz. Buzz is best friends. How did you paint this? My brushes are too big for you. Easy. Painted it with the grape juice. Fly guy. Buzz said, we are the best friends ever. I know I'm missing my best friends, and that is all of you, and that is the end of Fly Guy versus Frankenfly. So, right here we have a few more of the Fly Guy series books. Please, if you want me to read one of them, just give me a shout out. I'll make sure to read one of those Fly Guy books. Hopefully, you all enjoyed Fly Guy versus the Frankenfly, and I will see you all next time when I choose the next book for our read aloud. So, again, everyone, please stay safe, wash your hands, and enjoy these videos. Again, you're more than welcome to mute me and read it again on your own. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye, everyone.